Welcome to Thena's channel. This is Cooper House, a remarkable residence designed by S-Tube Studio, located in the United Kingdom. Nestled in North London, this 4,074 square meters home reimagines a once-abandoned garden plot, transforming it into a stunning 2.5-story dwelling. The design pays homage to the site's historical significance, once used by a cooper, a craftsman who made barrels. Built with a two-story wooden structure and a pitched roof, Cooper House seamlessly blends modern architecture with historical context. A key design feature is its perforated flooring, creating an open and airy flow between levels. This innovative layout enhances natural light and spatial connectivity, offering a perfect balance of work and living environments. The living room features a minimalist design with natural wood paneling, a vaulted ceiling, and a skylight that enhances daylight penetration. The striped wooden flooring adds texture, complementing the muted color palette. Slender metal furniture frames contrast with the soft upholstery, while strategically placed greenery and textiles introduce warmth and subtle organic elements. The kitchen features a sleek, minimalist design with warm wood cabinetry, integrated appliances, and seamless paneling. A natural stone backsplash complements the neutral-toned countertops. The layout maximizes space efficiency, while a strategically placed window enhances ventilation and natural light. Recessed lighting and hidden hardware contribute to the clean, modern aesthetic. The dining room features a minimalist design with natural wood finishes, a slatted ceiling with exposed black steel beams, and large windows allowing soft daylight. The furniture, crafted from light wood, complements the neutral tones. Simple decor, linen curtains, and greenery enhance the warm, organic atmosphere, embodying Japanese Scandinavian aesthetics. The staircase seamlessly integrates with the minimalist interior, utilizing warm-toned wood for continuity. The concealed entrance enhances spatial fluidity, while the slatted ceiling filters natural light, casting dynamic shadows. Black steel beams contrast the organic textures, emphasizing structural clarity. The compact, geometric staircase optimizes space without disrupting the serene, cohesive aesthetic. The bedroom embodies a warm, minimalist aesthetic with natural materials and earthy tones. Smooth plaster walls complement the light wood cabinetry, enhancing the soft ambience. Thoughtfully curated furniture, including a floating nightstand and a woven lounge chair, reflects functional elegance. Subtle lighting and textured linens complete the serene, contemporary architectural composition.